Hello, students! Welcome back to our grammar class. Today, we are going to learn all about conditionals. A complex sentence that expresses a condition which is required to obtain the action in the sentence is known as a conditional. For example, if you come along, then I'll go. A conditional sentence can be categorized into 4 types: 0, first, second, third. Zero conditional. Zero conditional is used to talk about general truths, laws, facts, and rules. For example, when the moon is in the waxing crescent phase, it makes a very pretty shape. Water evaporates if you heat it. First conditional. First conditional is used to talk about future situations which may be real or possible. For example, we can make dosas if the batter is good. As long as the sky is clear, we can go stargazing. Second conditional. Second conditional is used to imagine present or future situations that are unlikely to happen. For example, if men lived on the moon, they'd jump all day long. If cats could talk, yours would chat all day. Third conditional. Third conditional is used to talk about a past situation that didn't happen. The result is a possible imaginary situation. For example, if she had been nicer to her sister, we wouldn't be having this conversation. If his phone wasn't dead, he wouldn't have missed the train. Time to practice. Pause the video and try to answer the questions. Now, check your answers carefully. Great job, students! You've now learned conditionals in detail. Keep practicing to identify and use them correctly. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next class!